Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut in your desktop for Gmail so that it appears as application and you can access it from here. So the steps are easy. First you open your browser and I recommend to use Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you just type Gmail, or you can use the apps here and you access Gmail. After you do that, you will find yourself here in Gmail page, and then in your Chrome on the top right corner you will see the three dots here. You click on that. Then in the option you will see here an option says cast, save and share. You just put the mouse there. Then you will see the option here, install page as app. You just click on that. You can name it whatever that you want. Then you click install, and as you can see it is here created shortcut as application, and when you go back you will find it here in your desktop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.